Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Ogi and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, budgeting and great recipes, guys. So yeah, today we're making vegetable sandwich. Yes, the typical recipe, guys, is to not use cabbage but use lettuce. Yes, but you know me, I don't used to follow all these rules and regulations when it comes to these things, because you know everybody cannot be in the same boat at the same time. You know what I mean? Lettuce spoils quick, and yeah, for me, I always have cabbage steady at home. Lettuce, if you buy it, you have to use it within 3 days thereabout. Ordinarily, it should last for up to a week or more in your fridge if you preserve it well, like in a foil paper or something. But you know this light situation in Nigeria, I don't have capacity to ungel for several hours a day every time. You know, it's not like you can't ungel, but you know you have to ungel power it for so many hours. Like, it's not easy. So we have to just do what we know we have capacity to do, and that's when we have the budget to buy lettuce, we do it. But when we don't have, we use our cabbage, because cabbage can stay in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or even more. That's for me. That's why I always use whatever works for me. So guys, if you're in my category, you want to use what you have, you know. So but yeah, I'm just going to be chopping this all up and then putting in my bowl so that we can do all the other mixing right in this bowl, guys. If you like videos on healthy living, or if you're interested in going on a healthy living journey and making it possible on a budget without having necessarily break your bank, and you know, great recipes, how to cook delicious foods, and all the tips and tricks of how to make this happen, you want to subscribe to my channel, and of course click on the bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I share a new post. Yes guys, and then don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, so that they can also benefit from this video. So I've added my cabbage and carrots, and here in goes my onions. Guys, if you know the nutritional benefit that comes with onions, you're gonna be eating onions raw, and every day you put it inside every meal. I eat it raw, but you know it's not easy. But you know, you can, these are ways to incorporate all these vegetables raw. By the way guys, don't forget that the World Health Organization recommends that you eat at least 5 fruits and vegetables per day. So now we have number 3. This is number 3 vegetables. Yes. So even if you're not perfect, but at least you get to eat as many as you can, as whenever you have the opportunity to. So I poured in my sardine into this pot to cook it a little bit, and then I'm pouring everything into my mixture, and I'm going to stir. Ordinarily, we have used the mayonnaise now, we have used it to spoil this healthy living. Yes, but you know, it's not too much like that. You can actually use avocado oil if you are very sensitive to this, or if you're really carrying this healthy journey on your head. I carry it on my head, but you know, once as human being that I am, I can, you know, it's not allowed though, you know. So but you know what I mean. So just sharing this recipe with you guys, and my son came to ask me to give him malt to drink. I've had to sort him out another way. The less creamier this is, the more healthy for you. But my children are eating it, so I have to put a bit of more cream for them, for their satisfaction. And then here's the interesting part. I'm just gonna get my bread and then put all this mayonnaise in it, and then that's it, and then cut it. Yes, you can have a sandwich bowl. I mean, the sandwich, there's this dish that is used to dish out your sandwich so that you can preserve it if you are giving your children to take to school or something of that nature. But this is what I am doing. This is supposed to be our breakfast, and that's all. In this, we have carbohydrates, which is the bread. We have vitamins and minerals, which come with the vegetables and the fish and all of that. So we have a balanced diet. I made a video on balanced diets, guys, and you want to watch it out to know. If you understand the principles of balanced diet, then eating healthy will not be a problem for you anymore, because you know what goes into your body and what is good for your body, and then you know how to escape the dangers when they are looking around. I know this healthy living journey is not easy. You get tempted to, so many things around you that are not healthy, but you can always walk through and overcome it if you're doing the right things at all times. For the healthy living people that carry the matter on their head, please don't use mayonnaise. If you want to use mayonnaise, or you want to just use your avocado ripe one, blend it, put a bit of pepper if you want pepper or salt, and then you're good to go. You would get the same feeling, and even it is more nutritious. Maybe in another video I'll be sharing with you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to share that video. But this slice now, I'm just going to have about 2 or 1 just for because I want to eat it. But ordinarily, my children are the reasons I'm making this video. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you like this video, if you're going to try it out, and if you have any questions to ask, please go ahead. I'll be glad to read from you and give my comments too. I make videos on healthy living, once again, budgeting, and great recipes. If you want more, you can subscribe, and then don't forget to click the bell icon. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in another video, guys. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.